Ang balat natin ang unang bumubungad kapag tayo ay nakikisalamuha sa iba. Pero there is more to it than just that, dahil maraming sakit sa balat ay higit sa kagandahan lamang. Ako ay si Rosario Divina Reyes Perez, isang dermatologist. Ako ay nagtapos sa University of the East Ramon Magsaysay Memorial Medical Center at ako ay kasama sa Philippine Academy of Clinical and Cosmetic Dermatology. Dermatology was not my first choice when I was contemplating residency. There was obstetrics, but the thought of sleepless nights and uncertain schedules made me decide against it. Then, there was anesthesiology, which was my mom's dream for me, so she would have someone to take over her practice. But then again, I cannot imagine myself imprisoned in the OR, donning scrubs and a cap and mask for the rest of my life. So I thought of trying out dermatology. I actually started doing anesthesiology already, but after a few days, I got a call from dermatology and got accepted. And that was when I had to say goodbye to the OR and my mom to her dreams of me being her successor. My dreams of being able to have a family and be able to spend time with them, and all that at the same time having me time, was my main motivation then. But as I learned dermatology, I began to love it genuinely. Karaniwan, kapag dermatology ang nabanggit, agad ang naiisip ay pagpapaganda. Tama rin naman, dahil ang balat natin ang unang bumubungad kapag tayo ay nakikisalamuha sa iba. At kung ito ay makinis at maganda, maganda agad ang dating. Pero there is more to it than just that, dahil maraming sakit sa balat ay higit sa kagandahan lamang. Karamihan ng mga pasyenteng nakikita namin sa klinik ay mayroong eczema or dermatitis, na ang ibig sabihin ay pamumula o pamamaga sa balat. Maraming uri ang eczema o dermatitis at ito ay hindi lamang isang partikular na sakit katulad ng akala ng marami. Ang karaniwang mga sintomas ng sakit sa balat ay pamumula at pangangati. Ngunit marami pang ibang maaaring makita at maramdaman depende sa sakit na dinaramdam. Karaniwan sa mga sakit sa balat ay nadadiagnose sa pamamagitan ng clinical eye. Madaling makita. Ngunit may mga kondisyon na nangangailangan ng pagsusuri katulad ng KOH staining para makumpirma ang presence ng fungal infections, maaaring culture and sensitivity para sa mga bacterial infections at maaaring mga blood tests pa rin. Ang skin biopsy ay ginagawa upang masuri ng husto ang mga pagbabago at changes na nangyayari sa apektadong bahagi ng balat. Paano naman ginagamot ang mga sakit sa balat? Depende rin sa kondisyon. Pero karamihan ng eczema ay nangangailangan ng moisturizers at kung hindi makayanan ay antihistamines at anti-inflammatory agents. Gumagamit din ng antibiotics, antifungals at antivirals at iba pang makabago na gamot tulad ng retinoids at biologics. Para maiwasan ang sakit sa balat, kailangan natin ng proper hygiene sa pamamagitan ng regular na paglilinis at paliligo. Maging maalaga at banayad sa paggawa nito. Huwag kuskusin ang balat, lalo na kung may nakikitang irritation. Mag-moisturize parati. Pumili ng moisturizer na magugustuhang gamitin. Hindi malagkit, hindi sobrang mabango. Protektahan ang balat laban sa UV radiation sa pamamagitan ng sunscreen. Hindi lamang pag nagsuswimming o nasa beach ang gamit nito. Behind the white coat, in my free time, I enjoy cooking at konting baking na rin. Kung may oras, naglalaro ng pickleball kasama ang pamilya. But nowadays, playing with my grandchildren is what gives me joy and satisfaction the most. Patients might be surprised to see me as a part-time barista at Ohala Brews, which is located very near the hospital at the Haven Building. The skin is not just the largest organ of the body. It also embodies our wellness and beauty. Visit the Dermatology Clinic at room 304 of the DMAC building of Sacred Heart Hospital if you need attention for your skin. We are also coming up with more cosmetic and aesthetic treatments with the help of our cosmetic surgeon, Dr. Leo Angelo Perez.
Sacred Heart Hospital of Malolos, serbisyong subok at kalingang maaasahan.